Hello to everyone. You are highly welcome to our channel, ABK Tech TV, the channel that can make the use of plotagon app easier for you. In today's video we are going to show you how to use different English accent in plotagon app. Just like these.
Hello, my name is John.
నేను ఎలా ధ్వనిస్తాను?
Comment sonner?
Hello to everyone, my name is Ivan, I am a Russian, and with me here is my friend.
Hey people! I am Noah, from Germany.
All you have to do is watch the video without skipping any part. Now let's jump into our today business. To use different English accent in plotagon you will need the followings. Number 1. The plotagon app. With all the scenes and characters unlocked. If you don't have all the scenes and characters unlocked yet, contact me via WhatsApp for the solution. Number 2. An app called Talk Free. Go to Play Store, search for the app and install it. The third app you will be needing is a video editor app. Anyone but I prefer you use KineMaster. Links will be in the description of this video for the two apps. There are two methods in which you can make plotagon characters use different English accent. The first one is using the plotagon app itself. Open the plotagon app. Add a scene and go to where to add character. Create your choice character. When you reach here, you will see different letter combinations here. It is an abbreviation for different languages. For example, AR means Arabic. For the plotagon app, only 3 or 4 English accent work. EN, which is English. FR, for France. TA, and TE, which is Tamil and Telugu respectively. Let's test each one and see.
How do I sound? How do I sound?
How do I sound?
You can also adjust the voice to be lighter, or deeper, by clicking these.
How do I sound? How do I sound?
How do I sound? How do I sound?
Sound.
The same
How do
thing
I
with the
sound?
France English accent, the Tamil and
sonner?
Telugu.
Comment sonner?
Comment sonner?
Comment sonner? Comment sonner?
நான் எப்படி ஒலிப்பது?
நான் எப்படி ஒலிப்பது?
నేను ఎలా ధ్వనిస్తాను?
నేను ఎలా ధ్వనిస్తాను?
The second method is the use of an app called Talk Free. Open the app. Type in a sentence. Click here to select any accent you want. As you can see, there are different languages here. Select any one and this app will change the accent to the selected language. Let's try it and see. Mind you, for this app to change what you typed into your choice accent you will need to on your data connection.
I can speak different English accent.
Now, let's see how we can use it in the plotagon app. At first you will open your plotagon app. Create your story with your choice character. Use the normal English accent in plotagon. You will then open Talk Free app. Copy and paste exactly what you typed in your story in the plotagon app. Change it to the accent you want. Remember to on your data connection. Click here to save it. For easy identification, I will suggest you should create a folder and move what you saved from Talk Free to the new folder. You can do that by following this process. Now go and save your work from the plotagon app. Open your video editor app. Add what you saved from the Plotagon app. At first, when you play it, this is what you will hear.
Hello to everyone. My name is Ivan. I am a Russian. And with me here is my friend.
Hi people. I am Noah, from Germany.
To change it to your choice accent, you will add what you saved from Talk Free. Adjust the voices to be at the same frequency.
Hello to everyone. My name is Ivan. I am a Russian. And with me here is my friend. Hey people. Hi. Hello to everyone. My name is Ivan. I am a Russian. And with me here is my friend. Hey. Hey people.
Now that the two voices are at the same frequency, you will off the voice from the video by doing this. You can also adjust the volume of your work to be higher or lower. You can also change the voice to either male, female, or any choice of yours.
Hello to everyone. Hello to everyone. My name is Ivan. I am Russian, and this here is my friend. Hey people. I am Noah, from Germany. Hey people. I am Noah, from Germany.
Let's play our work and see.
Hello to everyone. My name is Ivan. I am a Russian. And this here is my friend.
Hey people. I am Noah, from Germany.
Hey guys. If you have anything you want this channel to help you with concerning Plotagon app, feel free to state it in the comments section, and your demand will be attended to. Subscribe to this channel to learn a lot about Plotagon story app in an easy way. Thank you. See you in my next video.